This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release lever. Lift the bonnet slightly, slide the safety catch to one side, then fully raise the bonnet. Unclip the support strut and engage it with the bonnet slam panel. Using the locking wheel nut adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn. Position the workshop jack adjacent to the sill jacking point, then raise the vehicle until the wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the jacking point and remove the jack. Use cardboard to protect the vehicle paintwork. Fully unscrew the bolts or nuts and remove the wheels. The wheel arch liner is secured by various clips. Prise out the centre pins, lever out the plastic expansion clips, and remove the push-in clips as applicable. Carefully prise the wheel arch trim away. Pull back the front section of the wheel arch liner. If the belt is to be refitted, mark its normal direction of rotation. Engage a socket with the tensioner, then rotate the tensioner arm clockwise to release the belt tension. Insert a 4mm diameter drill bit or rod through the hole in the tensioner arm and engage with the hole in the tensioner body to lock the arm. It is useful to have a small mirror available to enable the alignment of the locking holes to be more easily seen in the limited space available. Remove the belt from the various pulleys. Locate the belt around the pulleys, ensuring the belt ribs fit correctly into the pulley grooves. Where applicable, observe the arrow indicating the normal direction of rotation. Rotate the tensioner slightly, withdraw the locking drill bit or pin, then slowly release the tensioner and allow it to rest against the belt. Check that the belt is still located correctly in the pulley grooves. Maneuver the wheel arch liner back into place. Secure the wheel arch trim and liner with the various clips. Locate the wheel over the hub, insert and lightly tighten the nuts. Raise the vehicle, remove the axle stands and lower it to the ground. Remove the jack. Tighten the wheel nuts to the specified torque. Release the support strut and clip it back into place. Firmly close the bonnet.